Ever wondered how a bank could go from a stuffy, marble-clad institution to something you'd actually want to use? How a financial product could become as cool as your favorite app? Well, that's where Neon comes in. But who are the mad geniuses behind this digital banking revolution? Let's dive in. Imagine waking up one day and realizing the bank you've used for years feels like a relic from a bygone era. Fees, long queues, and a website that looks like it was designed by a time traveler. Frustrating, right? Well, that's exactly what a couple of guys experienced. Meet Pedro Conrade and Daniel Benavides. Two guys who looked at the traditional banking world and saw a massive opportunity. They didn't just want to improve banking, they wanted to reinvent it. So, they rolled up their sleeves, gathered a team of tech wizards, and started building Neon. Neon wasn't just about creating a pretty app. It was about challenging the status quo. They wanted a bank that was transparent, fee-free, and actually fun to use. A bank that put the customer first, not the other way around. And boy, did they deliver. Pedro, the CEO, is the visionary behind Neon. He's the one who saw the potential in digital banking and had the guts to turn that vision into reality. Daniel, on the other hand, is the tech mastermind. He's the guy who made Neon's slick interface and lightning-fast app possible. Together, they're a dynamic duo that's shaking up the banking industry. But it wasn't just Pedro and Daniel. There's a whole team of passionate individuals behind Neon. Designers, developers, marketers, and customer support reps who are just as committed to the Neon vision as the founders. It's a team that understands that banking shouldn't be boring. It should be empowering. Neon's success story is still unfolding. They've managed to capture the attention of millions of customers with their fresh approach to banking. But the real question is, can they maintain this momentum? Can they continue to innovate and stay ahead of the curve? Only time will tell. One thing's for sure, Pedro, Daniel, and the entire Neon team have already made a significant impact on the financial world. They've shown us that banking can be different, that it can be cool, and that it can actually put a smile on your face. With that said, thanks for watching, and until next time.